Keep an eye on the $0.09 to $6 support level as HBAR rises 7.99%. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around HBAR, this is the place for you. Let's talk about price HBAR. As of April 8, 2026, the total market cap is $4.06 billion with a change of plus 8.61% in the last 24 hours. The price of HBAR today is $0.09153. The 24-hour trading volume is $136.35 million. The circulating supply of HBAR is 43.32 billion with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. HBAR ranks 24th by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.09467. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.08597. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is up 6.16% to $0.0920 in 24 hours, outperforming Bitcoin's 4.43% gain, primarily driven by a beta-driven lift from a rising broader market. No clear coin-specific catalyst was visible in the provided data. Beta-driven market lift. HBAR's rise closely tracked a broad market advance, with the total crypto market cap up 4.01% and Bitcoin up 4.43% in the same period. This suggests the move was more about macro-driven capital flows into crypto than HBAR-specific news. What it means, the rally was likely amplified by general market sentiment improving from fear to neutral on the Fear and Greed Index over the past week. Watch for sustained strength in Bitcoin above $71,000, which would support continued beta-driven gains for ALTs. Volume surge confirming interest. Spot trading volume for HBAR jumped 80.98% to over $130 million, significantly outpacing the price increase. This high volume confirms the move was backed by substantial capital inflow, not just a thin, speculative pump. What it means: the volume spike indicates genuine accumulation or buying interest, adding credibility to the breakout. Watch for whether elevated volume persists, which would signal continued conviction. A drop in volume could precede consolidation. Near-term market outlook. The immediate trend is cautiously bullish, but hinges on key levels and broader market stability. The nearest concrete resistance is the $0.095 zone, which capped rallies recently. Support is at $0.088, aligning with the prior consolidation area. What it means? The path of least resistance is slightly higher, provided the market holds its gains. Watch for a break and close above $0.095 on high volume to confirm a stronger bullish leg. Cautiously bullish HBAR's gain is primarily a beta play on a rising market, validated by a strong volume surge. The lack of a specific catalyst means its trajectory remains tightly linked to Bitcoin's performance. Key watch whether the volume surge sustains over the next 24 to 48 hours, indicating if this is a fleeting pump or the start of a more sustained rally. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Hedera has garnered increased attention following McLaren's appointment to the Hedera Board, which has bolstered corporate engagement with Web3 experiences and digital assets. This move reflects growing institutional interest as companies evaluate Hedera's governance model, speed, and security. Regulatory changes are also contributing to the platform's growing traction among market participants. Momentum indicators on the daily chart paint a mixed picture. The MAVD continues to indicate strong selling pressure, while the ADX signals weak trend strength. However, the BBP points to clear buyer dominance, and the RSI is moderately bullish at 53. The stock RSI shows extreme overbought conditions, while the CCI is neutral, creating divergence among the oscillators. There was an upward gap at the open, and the current price is near today's high following a 7.99% daily gain. Intraday volatility was high, and the market sentiment is characterized by strong bullish momentum toward the session highs, which aligns with the bullish BBP but contradicts the persistent negative signals from the MACD. Over the next 5 trading days, a typical range of volatility relative to current levels is expected between $0.0900 and $0.0975. Since all weekly indicators, RSADX, MACD, and SMA50, remain bearish, the probability of further price increases is low, less than 20%, and a decline is more likely. The base case scenario assumes sideways movement near current levels. A bullish setup would require a breakout above $0.0946, while a bearish scenario implies a drop below the nearest support at $0.0926. Will Hedera be able to sustain its growth? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.